What's up guys, I'm here at Rc-Xtreme down at the G pit. Tuesday, 9 degrees, sunny, cloudy, a little bit windy. Down with the Traxxas Sledge with the M2C Racing Jackhammr kit. Fully beefcaked, everything you want on it. Haven't driven this car for, I don't remember, tons of months ago. EC fan doesn't work, so it's just gonna be a quick rip. Sunny afternoon. I think we should go for it. What do you think, guys? You know what to say? No one, and I mean no one. Remember, a coward. What a car. Sadly, I don't drive this too much. Dust and one. Nope. Nope. I will record I'm using the classic 1600 kV Traxxas X-Max motor, the 6S version, and also of course the Louise RC tires. To be honest, I actually don't remember the version, but they're freaking awesome. Well, you know what to say. I think I'm just gonna go home here. Oh. I'm just home for a quick we're gonna go for one more. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching.